Hey guys, Sam from BallerBBQ here. Today I'm making smoked shotgun shells on the pellet grill, so let's get into it. Okay, so I've got a pan on the stove, bit of oil in there, nice and hot. Just throwing in a bit of garlic. Give that a stir around and cook it for a minute or so until it's nice and fragrant. Once that's smelling really good, we'll just throw in a few handfuls of baby spinach leaves. And we'll cook that for a few minutes until it's wilted down. And once those spinach leaves have wilted down, we can turn off the stove and put the pan aside. And now we just grab a bowl, throw in a pound of pork mince, 2 tablespoons of your favourite pork rub, the baby spinach, a handful of cheddar cheese, and get in there with your hands and give it a good mix through. Once that's mixed through nice and even, it's time to start filling the cannelloni shells. So here it's pretty simple, just grab your cannelloni shell and start stuffing in the meat. After I'd done a few, I found that it was easier to do it like this and just grab a handful of mince and then just jam the cannelloni shell straight into your fist and it will just fill itself. Look at that, nice and easy. So once we've filled all the shells, it's time to start wrapping them in bacon. So here I've got the streaky bacon, and just take your favourite barbecue sauce and just brush it on to the bacon. Now simply put your shotgun shell on the bacon and start rolling it up. Try and get the bacon as evenly as possible across the shotgun shell. Space it out a bit and that's it. And now we just do all the rest. So there we are, all the shotgun shells are wrapped in bacon, looking delicious, and I'm just going to use a little bit of the leftover barbecue sauce and just give them a brush. Look at that, delicious. But now it's time to go to the grill. Now I've got the pellet grill turned up to 250 or 120 degrees Celsius, and I'm just going to put these shotgun shells on the rack and I'll leave it in there for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. Just until that bacon's nice and crispy. So after an hour and a half, we're just going to check it, and they are looking real good. So let's get them inside and try them out. Alright guys, look at that. That looks absolutely delicious. I'll put it aside, and we'll grab one shotgun shell, cut it in half, and that bacon is nice and crispy. Cooked all the way through. Cannelloni's nice and soft. So let's give it a taste. Those are really nice. They're yeah, nice and smoky. That bacon's just delicious. Something a bit different. So give it a go. Really nice. Alright guys, so that's it. That's our smoked shotgun shells done on the Pitboss Pellet Grill. Give it a go, really good. If you do, let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you again next time.